In this tutorial, I show you how to paint a 3D printed statue with a realistic metal finish. This technique gives printed figures a highly convincing chrome-like look. Start by applying a UV curable top coat to the areas that will receive the chrome powder. If the coat is too thick, simply place the container in warm water for a moment. Keep in mind that the top coat won't dry until it's exposed to the UV light, so make sure to avoid work in direct sunlight. Remove any excess material from the statue to ensure a smooth and even surface. Carefully pass a lighter flame over the surface to pop and remove any bubbles. Then, cure it under a UV light for about 30 seconds. It should be partially set but not completely hardened, allowing the powder to stick. Now, apply jewelry chrome powder with a silicone brush. Gently rub it into the surface to create an even metallic shine. You can also smooth it with your finger. After that, dust off the excess powder with a soft, clean brush. To protect the finish, seal everything with another layer of top coat. Pop any remaining bubbles with your lighter, then cure it again under the UV light for 1 full minute. Let's quickly go over the steps again to make sure everything is clear. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next one.